In this video we'll demonstrate the rear door trim removal procedure for Mercedes C-Class W204. First, remove the two screws located next to the inside door handle. Insert two assembly wedges and detach the door lining at the 8 mounting clips. Note: ensure that the retaining tabs on the door lining do not tear out. Begin at an inconspicuous part of the lining. Unclip the door lining all around, one clip at a time. The loud noise you hear is normal. Pull the door lining straight off. Press the tabs and remove the Bowden cable for the lock button. Unhook the Bowden cable for the inside door opener at the door handle. Unplug electrical connectors from the control unit. The door module is now exposed. If the module is damaged, for example, after a collision, the entire module must be replaced. Note: the module is riveted all around. In case of repair, the control unit and the power window motor can be easily dismantled and reused. The triangular window is glued in place and can be replaced without removing the door module.